Yeah.
Tapos ka.
Direct Joel, kaya parang workshop na din siya, nag-enjoy ako. So at least, kung baga yung mga past na ginawa ko ng mga project nung kakarating ko lang for TV, ito totally na nawala na yung apprehension at takot ko ulit sa industriya. I went through the gauntlet, I enjoyed my experience.
Na-restart ka na.
Yeah, parang feeling ko parang na-warm up na yung diesel.
Dramahan ba? Dramahan.
Di masyado, kaya...
Yung title wag mo.
Yeah, pero it's beautiful story.
Ano title?
Very refreshing. Grupo ako Iwan.
Oh, what's it about?
It's about, kung ikwento ko baka ma-spoil ko siya eh. Pero it's about these three characters. It's a story of Lara and Joseph. Parang sila, high school sweethearts sa probinsya.
Rian and ikaw.
Rian and si JC. Na his passion naman is music. Tas so kakabalik lang niya and they're rekindling their relationship and things happen that takes her to Manila.
Enter frame ka.
Enter frame na si Edwin na isang attorney. Yeah.
Magpo-fall sa'yo si Rian.
Lawyer niya. We'll see.
Maggugulo ka na
Siyempre,
doon.
We'll see din. Pero like I said, it's very refreshing. Hindi siya nung binabasa ko yung script, ito na lang, maybe you'll get a bit of what I felt nung binabasa ko yung script. Nung una binabasa ko siya, parang nagawa ko na nung film na to, tapos boom, may mangyayari na, saan to pupunta? Parang
Hindi mo
iba.
na-predict.
Every time na feeling ko, alam ko na yung mangyayari, it will take you in another route. And yet, hindi siya yung route na you feel cheated na parang, grabe naman. Each time you're like, okay, wow. And I read it in one sitting. Isang upo ko na sa binasa, sobrang
Who wrote the script?
nag-enjoy ako.
Who wrote the script?
Eric Ramos. Yeah, Eric Ramos, pero it's Direct Joel's concept daw, sabi ni Sir Eric.
Okay, so nakatapos ka na agad ng isang pelikula.
Yeah.
Tapos,
God.
yung parang showing niya, di ba?
Hindi ko pa alam, pero sabi nila parang they're gonna edit it right away daw ata.